Daddy is now feeding Noblezinho his first food. Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, Daddy's touch. Yeah. Oh, what a good boy.
Okay, what are you going to do with this?
You gotta move it around in your mouth with your tongue. There you go. It's okay. It's gonna take a week or two. You'll get used to it. Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh.
It's okay.
It's your baby. Oh.
It's okay. Come on. Yeah. Don't wait at the first, eat the second. Please not change recipes here.
He's like, what happened
Good
to the
job.
bottle?
He's doing good job.
He's very good. One more
Come on.
time. Good job. Ciao, Noble.
Very good baby.
Love you.